Assalamu alaikum. Today's video is about gardening. We started seeds inside our classroom a few weeks ago.
Feels soft.
So you'll see footage of that, and you'll also see footage of this workshop that I attended at Teachers Convention, where I got to meet a pro gardener. Enjoy the video, listen to your children's comments who really enjoyed playing with the dirt, and hopefully you have a wonderful time gardening this year.
It feels so nice.
I know how to do it, can I? Yeah, I hate it.
My students are learning all kinds of skills, gardening and filming.
We are going to plant some seeds today. We are so excited. Are you guys excited?
Yes!
Awesome. So the seeds that we have, you can bring the camera here to the seeds. The seeds that we have are mascot bush bean, purple peacock pole bean, cascadia snap peas, diva hybrid cucumbers, red robin tomatoes, bon vivant salad.
It's amazing
mix,
how quiet my
Swiss
kids were
chard,
when they were filming
dwarf
this video.
green
We did not
curd
plant all of
kale,
the seeds. We
gypsy
planted
hybrid
some.
pepper,
Some of them
nasturtium,
sprouted,
sweet
some
basil,
did not. So we
organic
had to
dill,
reseed
and lemon
them.
balm. So
We're hoping
we'll
to
be
get a good
planting these
harvest this
seeds
year.
and then wait for them to sprout, inshallah.
And this footage is from the workshop that I attended. This
No
gentleman, he was
way.
amazing.
Oh my God.
He had
I have
such a
a
variety of
friend in
seeds
New
and such a
Zealand,
passion for
and he
gardening.
grows
I
all
learned so
kinds of
much.
tomatoes.
I told him
Amazing
about my
gardener.
friend in New Zealand. His channel is called Project Food Garden, and I can post a link at the bottom. You can check it out. It's wonderful, the kind of work he's doing. Such a variety of tomatoes that he grows. I've never seen such a huge variety. So do check out his channel.
This is Amy's apricot, but I'm not going to put an apricot. You are going to take these,
Yeah.
and when you crush it, you wear gloves.
Okay.
And you can use the outer side, but plant the seeds.
Okay.
This is devil's tongue. Do you know devil's tongue?
No.
Okay, a chili powder, a chili pepper, they have a Scoville scale. And a chili pepper is about 1 to 3,000 on the Scoville scale.
Oh.
This is 3 million.
No.
Yeah. So what you do is you use very, very little of it. And just crush a little bit in there. But you can start the seeds yourself.
Sure.
There's enough seeds for
And
your whole
is
community.
a good time to start the seed? Like
On your
now?
windowsill, yeah.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Okay. Wow.
That shows you can have year-round tomatoes.
So you brought the plants inside, or you just brought
I
the fruit?
took these out before the
Okay.
first frost. I put them in a cool spot. I checked every week or so just in case some went bad, because some will. And that's what I got.
Bee fertility.
It's a fun topic.
Yeah.
Yeah. What is this all about?
This is growing heirloom tomatoes.
If you don't know what miracles look like, what they feel like, you should start gardening. It is miraculous how some seeds will sprout and some will not, and how some plants will be so healthy and some will die. It's amazing. There's so many life lessons that you can learn just by doing gardening.
Free seeds that didn't sell the previous year.
Yeah, exactly.
Pretty awesome.
Yeah. No, I think honeybees is just my cousin tomato or whatever
Yeah.
that you have, and put it somewhere and let it go bad. Let it go rotten.
Okay.
And then put it in a sieve, wash all of that rot off, take the seeds and put it on wax paper and let it dry off.
I just wanted to compile my beginning of the season gardening videos. That's all for today. Make sure you plant some seeds, even if you take some chickpeas from your kitchen, from your pantry, soak them overnight and then plant them. And if you don't have the space or the energy, at least take your kids to a nearby greenhouse. Let them enjoy the plants. Happy gardening, everyone. Have a fabulous summer. If you like the content that I create, please subscribe and share.